If you're looking for a tablet that gives you a massive screen, massive battery, PC-like productivity, and a price that doesn't go crazy, this might be one of the Honor's most interesting tablet yet. And this is the Honor Pad X9b Max. We're talking about a 13-inch display and 2.5K resolution, and of course 120Hz refresh rate, IMAX enhanced entertainment, a 10,100 mAh battery, a Snapdragon processor, expandable storage, and even a paper-like version with a keyboard. But here's the big question. Is this actually a tablet you should buy? Or is Honor just throwing a lot of Max features at us? Let's find out. Inside the box, you'll find the tablet, charging accessories, a SIM ejector tool, and the usual documentation. The model I have here comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And you can also expand the storage using a micro SD card up to 2 TB. And the first thing you'll notice when you hold it is the size. This is a 13-inch tablet, but despite that huge display, the body is only around 6.72 millimeters thin, with the standard version weighing 615 grams. The build is also surprisingly premium, thanks to the aluminum unibody design. It doesn't feel like a cheap, oversized tablet. It actually feels quite refined in the hand. And if you're going for the paper-like edition, that's even more interesting. It comes with a matte, paper-like display that helps reduce reflections, making it more comfortable for long reading or writing sessions. And the best part, it also comes with a keyboard included. So whether you're watching Netflix, browsing, studying, or working on documents, this big canvas makes a lot of sense. Now, let's talk about the start of the show. Of course, the display. You get a 13-inch Honor Max display with 2.5K resolution and up to 120Hz refresh rate. And honestly, this is where the Pad X9b Max feels much more expensive than its price suggests. Scrolling is smooth, animations feel fluid, and that 13-inch size is fantastic for movies, YouTube, multitasking, and even reading documents. It also supports up to 1.07 billion colors, while Honor rates the display at up to 700 nits peak brightness in strong light conditions. But there's another big feature here, IMAX enhanced. When you're watching compatible content, the tablet is designed to give you a more cinematic viewing experience. And because you've got such a large 13-inch panel, movies really do feel more immersive. Just remember, Honor notes that IMAX enhanced movie playback requires compatible content and Disney Plus membership. And the display isn't working alone. The Honor Pad X9b Max also focuses heavily on entertainment with its stereo audio experience. Let me show you some quick demonstration.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
久しぶりだな。
For watching YouTube, movies, TikTok, or listening to music, the large chassis gives the sound more room to breathe. So this is definitely a tablet I'd consider for someone who wants a portable entertainment machine. And if you're expecting a flagship level audio and bass, just keep your expectations realistic. This one is still a mid-range tablet, but for everyday entertainment, it's more than capable. Now, let's move on to the performance. The Pad X9b Max is powered by the Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 2. built on a 6nm process with an octa-core CPU.
And this is where I want to be very clear. This is not a gaming monster.
It's designed more for everyday productivity, streaming, browsing, social media, documents, and casual gaming. For those tasks, it gets the job done. In Antutu, this Snapdragon platform scores roughly around 510,000 in Antutu 11, although benchmark results can vary depending on software, temperature, and testing conditions.
So don't buy this if you're expecting a flagship performance. Instead, think of it as a big screen plus efficient processor plus long battery life. And that combination alone actually makes a lot of sense. Now, here's probably my favorite features, a 10,100 mAh battery.
That's a massive battery for a tablet in this category. Honor pairs it with 45-watt supercharge, and the company rates it for up to around 13 hours of reading and 16 hours of video playback under its lab testing.
In real life, obviously, your results will depend on brightness, refresh rate, apps you open, Wi-Fi, and what you're doing. But the important thing is this: battery anxiety is basically not the main concern of this tablet. So you can take this to work, school, a long flight, or a road trip, and spend hours watching videos, browsing, or working without constantly looking for a charger. And now the important question, is it worth the money?
Here in the UAE, for the 4GB plus 128GB version price at 999 dirhams, while the 6GB plus 256GB paper-like edition plus keyboard is priced at 1,299 dirhams, depending on retailer and current offers.
At around this price range, the Honor Pad X9b Max become very interesting if your priority is the screen size, battery life, and of course, versatility. Especially the paper-like version, because once you add the keyboard and productivity accessories, you're not just buying a media tablet anymore. You're getting something that can also serve as a lightweight work machine. So who is this tablet for? If you're a student, this is a great option for notes, reading, online classes, and of course entertainment. If you're a content consumer, this 13-inch massive display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a big battery are fantastic. If you're working remotely and mostly use documents, email, presentation, and web apps, the keyboard bundle makes a lot of sense. But take note, if you're a hardcore gamer or a professional creator who needs a serious processing power, probably I'll go for a more powerful tablet instead. So after spending time with the Honor Pad X9b Max, here's my honest take. This isn't about having the most powerful processor. It's about giving you a max screen, max battery, max entertainment, and enough performance to get everyday work done. The massive 13-inch 120Hz display, IMAX enhanced are the star of the show. And of course, the 10,000 mAh battery is a huge advantage as well. So if you're looking for a big screen tablet for work, study, movies, and everyday use without spending flagship money, the Honor Pad X9b Max is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's my full review of the Honor Pad X9b Max. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more latest and honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.